Every car has a voice. Sometimes it hums, sometimes it growls. But when that voice starts to change, when the familiar rhythm turns rough or the tone feels strained, it's your car's way of whispering that something deeper is wrong. These aren't just random noises or fleeting quirks. They're warnings. And today, we're breaking down the 10 hidden signs your car engine is in serious trouble before that whisper turns into a breakdown when the unmistakable rattle light starts subtle. A faint tapping under the hood, easy to ignore at first. You might hear it when you accelerate or when your car idles at a stoplight. This sound isn't just metal talking, it's often the sound of worn bearings, loose components, or low oil pressure. Over time, that light rattle can evolve into a full-blown knocking noise, signaling severe wear inside the engine. If your car's rhythm feels off, don't drown it out with music. It's the engine begging for attention. To the warning lights you ignore at its small orange light. The one shaped like an engine is often brushed off. Maybe the car still drives fine, so you assume it's nothing. But modern vehicles are designed to detect issues long before you can feel them. A check engine light could point to misfires, oxygen sensor failures, or even catalytic converter problems. The longer it's ignored, the higher the risk that a small fix turns into an engine replacement. When your dashboard lights up, it's not a suggestion, it's an alarm. 3. The smoke signals to your car's exhaust can tell a story if you know how to read it. Blue smoke means oil is burning inside the engine. White smoke signals coolant leaking into the cylinders. And black smoke? That's a sign of unburned fuel, possibly a clogged air filter or malfunctioning injectors. Each color reveals a different internal struggle. The moment you see smoke that isn't clear, your engine's health is on the line. Point for the rough idle. You stop at a light and feel your car trembling, as if it's struggling to breathe. The RPM needle bounces, and sometimes it feels like the engine might just quit altogether. This rough idle can stem from dirty spark plugs, clogged filters, or air intake problems. It's like your engine's heartbeat skipping, a sign that something inside isn't firing the way it should. Smooth idling is a sign of balance. Rough idling is a call for help. 5. The power drop. You press the gas, but your car hesitates. It's as if it's lost its strength. This sudden drop in power can come from fuel delivery issues, failing sensors, or clogged exhaust systems. It's often paired with sputtering or delayed acceleration, which can feel frustrating on the road. But underneath that frustration is danger, an engine that's no longer performing efficiently. Power loss is your vehicle's way of saying it's fighting harder than it should to do the same job. 6. The overheating struggle. A few things are as nerve-wracking as watching your temperature gauge climb into the red. Engines are designed to operate within a specific temperature range. When that's exceeded, metal parts expand, gaskets fail, and vital fluids evaporate. An overheating engine can destroy itself in minutes. Whether it's a coolant leak, broken thermostat, or failing radiator, heat is one of the engine's deadliest enemies, and it never forgives neglect. 7. The strange smells. A burning smell while driving should never be ignored. Burnt oil, leaking coolant, or even a faint sweet odor could mean trouble. These smells often come from leaks dripping onto hot components or failing gaskets. If your car starts producing unfamiliar scents, especially ones that linger after you park, it's your engine's way of saying something inside is leaking or burning. Wear it shouldn't. Point 8. The mysterious oil changes. Oil is your engine's lifeblood, but its condition reveals everything. If your oil turns dark too quickly, or your car starts consuming more oil than usual, something's wrong internally. A sudden need to top off oil between changes could indicate leaks, worn seals, or even piston ring damage. Always check your dipstick. Clean oil means healthy lubrication. Dark, gritty oil means your engine is aging fast. 9. The vibrations and shakes. The problem isn't what you hear, it's what you feel. If your steering wheel, seat, or entire car vibrates unusually, that's not just bad alignment. It can be a symptom of failing motor mounts, unbalanced components, or misfiring cylinders. Vibrations are a physical reminder that the engine isn't running smoothly. Left unchecked, those tiny shakes can become violent shudders that cause long-term damage. 10. The reluctance to turn the key. And wait, the engine cranks longer than usual, sometimes even fails to start. This hesitation can point to battery problems, faulty spark plugs, or deeper internal wear. The first seconds of ignition reveal a lot about engine health: how efficiently fuel ignites, how much compression it still holds, and how stable the timing is. When starting becomes a struggle, your car is warning you that the end might be near. Every sign we've discussed is your car's version of a cry for help. Quiet, persistent, and easy to ignore until it's too late. But understanding these signals isn't just about maintenance, it's about prevention. Engines rarely fail without warning. They give us signs over and over, hoping we'll listen. So the next time you start your car, take a moment, listen to its voice, watch its gauges, smell the air around it. Because the difference between a small repair and a full engine replacement is often just one ignored warning away. And if you found this helpful, save thousands in repairs and keep your car running like new for years to come.